guys, Charmander here, and today I am making another video. If the camera would focus, you guys would see what this is. If you guys like Pokemon, you should know what this is. It's 3D printing Charmander from Pokemon. Today it looks way cooler in real life. But today we are showing a bunch of 3D printed stuff. So let's go. So we are at the Makerspace. All shoutouts to the Makerspace Nanaimo. Some advertising. This is a purple rocket ship. You don't see this every day. Dude. Probably never see a purple rocket ship. Ever. Yes. Or a Charmander in real life. Yes. I need to get a brand guns. And there is this is 3D printed. What is this? I don't know what this is, but it's a shark thing, and I love it. My favorite is this one because it's blue and it's amazing. This, hey, Dad, can you explain this?
Yeah, that's a 3D printed yogurt emoji.
It's a poop emoji.
So it's a final poop.
I'm scared.
Look how much subscribers Venos has.
No, don't say it. Shoutouts to Venos Gaming.
Yeah, subscribe to him.
Seriously.
Shoutouts to poop emoji that is white. My dad needs to explain that later. That is neat. Ooh, is this a vase? Whoa. What is this?
One of the Aztecs.
Nice. I am amazing because I am awesome sauce. Recently, me and my friend woke up as friends. Is this just a block? What is this? I'm gonna ask. Is this just a block? Oh, there's a lid. It's a lid. There's a lid.
Hey, what's up? Oh, wow. That is a British sweet.
Yes, I know that.
And it's
Leland.
a what?
So Leland wants to look at it. I cannot get over this. I'm officially subscribed for life. There was a cat earlier. Is this a Pikachu? You guys will love me if it's a yes. You guys love me okay, subscribe if you like Pikachu. Subscribe if you like Pokemon in general. Subscribe Pokemon. Subscribe. Focus camera. Let's do a little roleplay. La 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 la, swimming in the hot lava, da da da. Pikachu! Why'd you do that for Pikachu? Pika, Pika, Pika. I am scared. Pikachu! For that roleplay, all shoutouts to the person who made Pikachu. And I meant Pokemon. Ooh. I think this is 3D printed too. Ooh, do you guys want to see something very cool? This is half of this was probably cool, but this is by far amazing. They made this stand. This has been made. Is that 3D printed? Oh my god, look at this. This is 3D printed. Oh my god, I like a lot of this. So now I'm just gonna go through a lot of things. So there's this. Ooh. Ooh, that is cool. He moves. I think I broke him. I am scared because I don't know if this is Pokemon or not. If it is, more Pokemon. It's a leaf thing. That. Oh my gosh. Little boys, good to go.
You do it.
Stop. Why am I singing? I'm just gonna do the Jurassic World one. Shout out to Jurassic World. I don't know what this is, but it looks like another vibe.
Yeah, the button Pikachu. Yeah.
This is amazing. I want it.
What else?
That's 3D printed all in one piece.
Yeah, sometimes
It wasn't put together. It was all done at the same time, laying down. Like
So they
that.
have the counter with
What?
small chocolate bars.
How? Did somebody color the nose on?
All the
Yeah, I think so.
tiny little sweets that sold for
That is amazing. I've never seen anything like this. Is this 3D printed? I don't know. It looked. Oh my god. This was 3D printed onto glass. This. Now this is just pure impressing. Ooh, I saw a lot of these a while back. There were like blue ones, red ones, white ones, a load. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but I like it. It's like a bracelet. Nice. I like it. What is this? It's another... Oh. I don't want to... Leland.
What is this?
1 second, guys. Okay, I got it. What is this? Shout out to whoever made that because I am not taking any credits for this stuff. I made none of this. I can promise you that. I made none of this. Ooh, I like it. They look like fingers. I'm scared now.
Look at this.
Whoa, that is actually really cool. That is not even lying. Say bye to the video.
My video.
Dad, say bye to the video. Dad. Leland, say bye to the video. Say bye. You just told me to shuzz not up. Well, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out the description below. And whoop bye.